So hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss a very good topic about how to make a good decision. Okay, and basically we will learn that decision making skill, because this is a very important part of our life. Because whenever we grow in our life, okay, we have the only choices in our life. So that we have to do, either we have to select this thing, either we have to select this thing. Okay, between this we have a lot of options right now in the current age. Okay, so we got confused that where to make the decision, from whom to take the decision, so make the right decision to get the output, okay, in our life. So because this is a very necessary and this is very compulsory to enhance our life skills, okay, and social skills also, and our personal life also, and our official life, and whatever the corporate life, if you are doing job basically, and if you are a student. So this is very important skill to make a powerful decision, because this will decide that your future for the coming years, okay, and for the lifetime also, because whenever you will take the decision for your life also, so that will lead to your life for the lifetime. So this is very important skill to develop, okay, and nobody is telling you about that. So you have observed the people are following each other right now, because they don't have decision making skills, because everyone from the childhood they are following their parents to make any decision, and parents are following to relatives that if you feel in your home, right? So a lot of relatives are sitting in position, and they are continuously discussing about the people around them, okay, whatever the people have having done, and whatever the people have achieving. So that kind of decision they are making, okay, that type of decision is not a real decision, okay, that's the only group discussion, something we can understand like that. We are the people, the group of the people are discussing anything, and they are making just a conclusion, okay, they are not giving the any logical sense, and they are not predicting the future, okay, and they are not calculating the risk, how much risk we can get in that particular decision, okay, because every decision has the one particular positive side, and one is the negative side also, okay. So we have to see the both things, okay. People are observing only the good things, only the positive things to make the better decision, okay, but that's not the better decision, and that's not the confirmation and about the decision, because decision has the two parts, okay. So we have to, every coin has the two sides, so we have to see the both sides, okay, and that is the positive side also, negative side also. So that doesn't mean if we are observing only one thing, so life is so unpredictable, so how can we decide that only the positive things happen in our life? So we can't do that like that, okay. We have to decide the anything, whatever we are making the decision, okay. So we have to see the both things, okay, positive thing also and the negative thing also. So we have to calculate the risk before taking the that particular decision. If you are suppose if you are a student, okay, and you have to take the decision that you have to do the private job and you have to do the government job, okay. So whenever you will make the decisions, you have to collect the data, okay, whatever the data you will collect, so that will help to make the decision. And if you will not collect the data, and without collecting data, you are just observing the people, that a lot of people are doing the private job, and a lot of people are doing the preparation about the government job. So if you will take the decision without thinking and without making any logic, so that decision will not make any sense in the future, okay. So after that, suppose if you will get success also on that particular decision, so you will regret for the rest of your life, because that decision is not yours, that's the decision of the people who are doing already well, because you are observing the people, and whatever the people are doing, you are following them, and you are not thinking, and you are not following your instincts. So that's why you will get the, definitely you can get the success, and you can get the failure also. There is no guarantee of the success, there is no guarantee of the failure. So if you will not follow your instincts, so you will regret in your life. So because you are my friend, okay, so I am suggesting you, I will never let you regret for your rest of your life, okay. So that's why I'm suggesting you that before taking any decision, you have to collect the all over the data, you have to collect, okay, the positive sides, negative sides, from the whenever you can collect data from your friends, from your family, from the internet, YouTube, social media, whatever you have the sources to collect the data. Okay, so you have to collect the information to, and write down that data in your notes. Okay, and select that, make the two parts. Okay, one is the positive part and one is the negative part. If I will take the that particular decision, so how much I can get, how much I can lose. Okay, whatever the things I can get, what the life I will get after taking that particular decision, and what that decision, how that decision will affect to my life. Okay, so these things you have to note down in your diary. Okay? And after that, you have to observe the people who are already doing that particular thing, whatever you are going to think that. Okay, because supposing you have made any decision, okay, and you don't know how to achieve that, and nobody has done before that particular time. So at that condition, you don't have any idea, okay, to how to achieve that. So you will not have any roadmap to achieve that. So it will take the lot of time. Okay, because you are the pioneer in that particular industry. So first of all, you have to make the right decision, or that you have to find the way to go at that particular target. Okay, or the people who has done that before you have chosen that particular roadmap. Someone has already achieved that, someone has already done it, and after that, whatever the life he is spending and what's going on in his life. So basically, these are the things you have to discuss before taking a right decision. Okay, and whenever you have collected the data, and you have to process that. Okay, the after the life taking the decision. Okay, and before taking that particular decision, and whatever the people will think, and whatever the people is that matter for that particular decision. Okay, that will affect to your decision, or that will be the very short term. So you have to analyze this. Okay, and once you analyze the decision, and that's okay, you are okay with the things that will be the negative side. Okay, once you are confirmed that you are okay with that particular scenario, so you have to confirm that particular decision. Okay, once you decide whatever you want to do, whatever you want to achieve, so focus on only that particular area. Okay, and remove all over the things whatever comes in that particular way to achieve. Okay, so you have to remove all over the distractions. Okay, and you have to just focus on your way, whatever you have decided. Okay, so this is the video overall. So how to make the right decision, and this is, I hope you will get the lot of ideas by this video. So I hope you got my points. Okay, so we will meet on next video. Till then,